So I made this Halloween wreath using a genius idea, and that is getting this winter white berry wreath and using it for Halloween instead.
Hey, and welcome to my channel, where I share budget-friendly DIYs and home improvement projects. If that's something you like, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into the video.
By buying a non-seasonal item, you get to save on cost, because technically Halloween is fall, not winter. And I actually got this for under $25 when this could have easily been $40 as a Halloween decoration. This is actually a beautiful wreath for the winter season, so I love it when I can use one thing in multiple ways. Here I'm just spreading out the stems so that it actually looks 20-inch wide like it's supposed to. And once I got it to the diameter I like, I grabbed myself a bunch of fake webbing and just started encasing the web onto the wreath. If you haven't worked with fake webs before, let me tell you, it's super sticky. It kept sticking on my nails and my skin, probably because my skin was dry. But yeah, it's super sticky and really easy to grab onto this wreath because of all of its branches. I'm pulling the web around the wreath and spreading it apart as I go, but honestly, it was a bit difficult to work with such a large chunk of web, especially because the wreath kept moving around the table so much. So I would probably recommend cutting the webs into small chunks so that it's more manageable, and just working with the small chunks, pulling them apart and wrapping them on the wreath. That way it's not overwhelming trying to spread out a large clump of webbing like I'm doing. Now I pretty much have this to where I want it, and I'm just gonna pull apart the stems a little bit again because they got pulled as I was wrapping the web around. I'm also tidying up any loose webbing, and I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And to finish it off, I'm just going to grab a handful of fake spiders and literally toss them on this wreath. Because that web is so sticky, the fake spiders literally just latch on. This box of spiders came with 3 styles of spiders, so it gave my wreath a little bit more variety. I'll link this in the description box below. And there you have it. We just made a spider egg wreath. Super gross, but perfect to hang on my door for Halloween. And it goes perfectly with my web door and creepy gigantic spiders crawling on my walls. If you guys like this video, give this a thumbs up as it'll help bring this video to more people just like you. As always, check out the description box below for all the materials I used as well as related videos you might like. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. I share new ideas every week, so I'll see you back here next time.